M.A.D.
To just brush your trousers off and get back in the race, you can win. You saw this lady, she was running fast, she was going for it. Her heart was beating, she was like, yes, I'm a winner. She fell over, she got up, and she kept running, she kept going.
Okay, let me just do that here. Okay, what is that?
So the first activity was doing the string and ball game. So we worked in a team to try and achieve this goal of where there's this ring and the strings attached to it and right. So each person takes control of the string and you have to lift a tennis ball up from the ground without letting it drop. So we had to go through different strategies and methods of trying to do this. So we had to work well as a team and have good communication flow in order to achieve this. And yeah, in the end, we achieved it.
Puts them in situations that they have to think on their feet. They are going to come up against some challenges and they're going to have to work together as a team to overcome these challenges. So having to communicate, having to take a step back, having to plan, having to reflect. Quite often they won't necessarily get it the first time, which means that they have to reflect and re-evaluate what they're doing and then be able to go back. So it's being able to create a resilience to go back to complete the task.
During the second period, we done meditation, and during the meditation we had to play a game where we all sat down and we had to squeeze each other's hand.
Point to this side, 3-1, come on round.
And then during that term, the only way to communicate was by feeling someone. It was a kind of a sign language, I would say. So we had to squeeze each other's hand, and that's when we sense it, and then we'll hold the pen, and whoever grabbed it first will win. So obviously we lost, our group lost, but that wasn't a big deal. Obviously to succeed in life you need to lose sometimes.
There's a lot is expected of people my age now.
Today was absolutely brilliant. It was really great to see the young people in their busy lives taking a little moment out to be still. The growth mindset teaches us it's all about leadership, it's all about young people working, it's all about them constantly moving. But whilst you're constantly moving, it's important at times to be still and come in within yourself and actually think for a moment, where is it I want to go and what is it I want to achieve. So it was brilliant to be involved today.
In our third lesson, we created a plan for the holidays, so we stayed productive and we will be able to create a plan where we revise and use our time effectively instead of just wasting away playing video games and going out.
If they're not where they want to be in terms of their revision, in terms of their coursework, then the half term is not a place just to completely switch off. In fact, we wanted to change their mindsets in this workshop and look at the half term as an opportunity to get back on track. And how they were going to do that was to create a planner. Because we know if you fail to prepare, you prepare to fail. We all live in the same 24 hours, it's just how you use your time that counts.
Okay, I had some misgivings this morning about how well it would go. Because year 13s are really exam focused at the moment and they don't like distractions. And I thought this might not go well and they might be quite difficult, but actually they seem really engaged, really motivated. They're getting a lot out of it and I think it's been really successful, so well done.
Are you ready?